Guys, this is the features, one of the features of this building. So we have a nice staircase. Sa Tagaytay siguro. Kaya siguro guys, ang gagawa ano? Ganyan, Tagaytay.
Kasi rin is, mayroon yan. Na-apply na yung
Okay. So guys, we are here now at Unit 922 here at Admiral Bay.
Kasama mo kami sa bawat galaw. PGA Realty, siguradong maaasahan sa bawat hakbang ng iyong kinabukasan. Parang pagkabarang bagong tahanan o lupang pwede siyong negosyo at pangarap. Becky J ang sagot. Real estate.
Hello everyone, good morning again, and once again I'm your licensed broker Jerry Bustamante, and we are here now at Admiral Building, Admiral Suites sa Manila. So we have a one bedroom condo unit here at Unit 922. And guys, ito po ay kasama na po yung parking for sale. And take a look. One bedroom. Ito na po yung CR niya. Meron siyang shower, and one bedroom. We have a balcony also, okay? Facing Makati. Facing Makati, so with balcony. So the only unit with what do you call this? Yung partition niya ay bato.
partition, cement partition to. Cement.
Cement partition niya siya. So one bedroom, Admiral Suites here at Manila. For more information about this property, just talk with us and I will assist you.
Hi guys, ito yung amenities ng ating Admiral. So ito sa swimming pool, mahaba. So you can enjoy swimming here because it's inside the area. And this is the view. Yeah.
Kita mo din.
Alang Dolomite.
Dolomite and
Wala, hindi kita Dolomite. Kasi ito yung yacht club. And Damoa Arena.
Kampirin, may pangarap ka bang kondo o farm lot? Kami ang kasama mo, di ka malalagat. Affordable deals, legal